Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is for young girls, teenagers who want to apply makeup and want to look a little bit extra and stunning. This is going to be a very soft pinkish oranges makeup look that you can wear for your college function or any social events. Plus, I'll show you some products that I recommend to you. These are the minimum products that you can have to create any beautiful makeup look. But without further talking, let's start the makeup look. First step of makeup is always to apply a moisturizer that suits your skin type. I'm going to use NIVEA Soft Light Moisturizer because this is very light on the skin and it's not greasy at all. Very good for summer. Plus, it gives enough moisturization to my skin throughout the time I wear makeup. The second step will be applying a sunscreen, and I apply Neutrogena's UltraSheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. This comes with SPF 50. This is gonna protect my skin from harmful sun rays and also prevents my skin from getting tan. This is Neutrogena's Dry Touch Cream. That means after applying it on your face does not look oily. There is a little bit of shine, but it does not feel tacky at all. Then I'm gonna apply Sugar Pop Nourishing Lip Balm in the shade Vanilla. This is gonna moisturize my lips, and before I apply a lipstick, I'll take it off because till the time my lips will be plump and moisturized. In the next step, we either apply a foundation or a BB cream to make our skin look even. Then again, we apply a concealer to hide the dark circles or heavy pigmentation on the face. Today I'll show you how these two steps, meaning applying a foundation and a concealer, can be done within one single step so that you do not need to apply two different things, and the purpose of making your skin tone even will be done very easily. So for this step, I suggest you to have this Inside Cosmetics concealer. I use the shade Beige and C2. You can see that this is a peachy concealer or a corrector, which you can use instead of foundation or your regular concealer. Because it's a peachy concealer, it is great to cover your dark circle or pigmentation and make your face look fabulous. Besides, the price of this product is way low. It's around 300 rupees, and it is really effective to cover your dark circles or in general to apply the base of your makeup. To apply this, I'm going to use this concealer brush from PAC, and I'm going to apply a very little amount only on the areas where I have pigmentation or dark skin. And I also recommend you to apply it only on those areas where you need it, because young girls and teenagers, you already have a very beautiful, youthful skin. You really do not need to apply a lot of makeup. If you have pigmentation or dark circle, then you can cover it with this product. And when you blend everything very nicely, that way you will have a very beautiful base for the rest of the makeup products. You can see the difference, like this area I didn't apply anything, and on this area this is bright and all the dark areas are covered. I'm gonna apply a little bit on the forehead. On the side of the nose. So the base is done, and I think this is looking very natural and very youthful. In the next step, you wanna set your face with a powder, because this is so much shiny and this is a little bit tacky, sticky. If it stays sticky, the other products, powder products, may stick to it and will look patchy. So it is very important for you to set your base. For that, you can use a loose powder or a compact powder, but I'll recommend you to use this Wet n Wild Duo Contour Powder. It has a banana shade and a bronzer shade. This you can use to set the areas where you apply the Inside Cosmetic concealer, and this bronzer shade you can use on the perimeters of your face so that your face will look a little bit sun-kissed. So first, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply this powder on the center of my face where I applied the concealer. Then I'm going to use this bronzing powder on my forehead, on my below the cheekbones, on the jawline, and I'll use a little bit of it to contour my nose. I use this brush for two things, but to apply bronzer you must need a fluffy round brush. For that you can use this Sugar Cosmetics Blend Trend brush, which is a dual end brush. It has a foundation side. This brush you can also use for applying blusher, and this one is a very fluffy big brush which you can use for applying bronzer. Now I'm gonna apply this bronzer for my eye makeup as well. I'm just gonna apply this on the crease line, above the crease line, as a transition shade. In the next step, I'm gonna apply blusher, and that blusher also I'm gonna use it for different things in the same way I use the bronzer. Now for blush, I'm gonna use Sugar Cosmetics mini blusher in the shade Salmon Superstar. For you guys, when you apply blusher, don't just apply it on this portion. You can drag it here, a little bit on the nose, and then here. This technique of applying blush looks really good on young girls. First, I'll apply here, drag it towards the forehead, I'll apply a little bit here, close to the nose, make sure you blend everything and there is no harsh line. Now you'll apply a very little bit on the nose. Now the same blush I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. For that I'm gonna take Produscts AE25 brush. This is a flat but a very fluffy brush, so very good for blending your eyeshadows. You can apply this blush on your eyelids only, or you can drag it high up to your eyebrows depending on the shape of your eyes. Also, do not forget to apply this on your lower lash line, otherwise it will look incomplete. Now before applying lip color, I'm gonna remove this lip balm. Now I'll use this Inside Cosmetic concealer on the boundaries of my lips so that the boundaries of the lips are blurred out and That way it will be nice, it will look nice when I'll overdraw my lips. But before applying color on my lips, I'll just make my eyebrows look nice, a little bit bushy. For that, I'm first gonna apply a little bit of hair gel on my brows to make the shape that I want. The eyebrow gel has to be set before applying any eyebrow product. So I'll just brush my brows with the gel, and when it is set, when it is dry, I'll apply. I'll use a eyebrow pencil to give some color, depth to my eyebrows. It is good to have a spoolie for this step, but if you don't have a spoolie and you have a eyebrow pencil that has a brush that has a spoolie, you can use this one for this step. To outline my lips, I'm going to use NIVEA's lip pencil in the shade Birthday Suit. For my lips, I'm going to use NIVEA's lipstick in the shade Victoria, and this is a dusty pink color. I'll apply some gloss on my lips, but before that I'll just finish my eyebrows. For that, I'm going to use Sugar's Arch-Arrival Brow Definer. Now to finish up my eye makeup, I'm just gonna draw a very short wing liner. That's enough. Now I'm going to apply highlighter on 3 places, on the tip of my nose, on the nose bridge, and on the inner corners of my eyes. For that, you can have any highlighter that you have in your eyeshadow palette, or you can use this Wet n Wild highlighter. Then you want to have a very good mascara, and you need to apply 3-4 coats of it. I think long, heavy, voluminous lashes bring the beauty of your face forward. It would be even better if you curl your lashes with a lash curler. Or if you want to apply false eyelashes, then you can go for Bronson Professional's 3D lashes. This pair of lashes is very soft and natural looking, and also makes your eyes look bigger. At the end of your makeup, do apply a lip gloss to make your lips look plump and juicy. So this is the final soft and simple makeup look for teenager or young girls. At the end, I just want to give you 3 tips to create a simple makeup look like this. Apply 3-4 coats of mascara to make your eyelashes look voluminous. Apply a bright color blush and little bit on your nose. And apply hair gel on your eyebrows to make it look bushy and soapy. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it and I hope to get a thumbs up from you. Also subscribe to this channel for makeup and skincare tutorials. Take care of yourself and smile often. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.